Hello, today you're looking at a Sassc 4000 amp 6-volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. It's been fully tested, checked out, great working condition. As you guys can see the inside, this is in great shape. Overall dimensions, 41 inches length, 27 inches width, 64 inches high. This is wired for 460, 3-phase. Total weight is 945 pounds. Show you guys the nameplate really quick. I'll get that going for you right now. And bring you guys over to the O-scope. It's a great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.